This video, I show you how to get paid per click, which is a new strategy to make PayPal money online for absolutely free this year 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to get paid per click. Would you like to get paid for every single click? Well, not only is this strategy new, but it's all absolutely free and worldwide available. So first, we have to check if you have what's necessary to make this work. Number 1, you'll need a laptop or a computer, tablet, or a smartphone. Number 2, you'll need an internet connection. And number 3, you need to know how to click. If you have those 3, great! You can make this work. First and foremost, let me show you that this strategy works worldwide. As you can see here, everyone can join. Anyone from anywhere can join this program and start earning money within minutes. So this is basically one of the easiest ways to start making money online on a complete autopilot. So it can be a passive income stream for you. Now here's the concept. You and I, with the other 3 billion people around the world, have been using Google as our default or main browser. All this time we're using Google to search something on the internet and to surf the web. But for this strategy, instead of using Google, we will be using entireweb.com. This website is also a free search engine just like Google. But the main difference between Google and entireweb.com is that the latter will actually pay you for each click. To be precise, it will actually pay you 20 cents per click that you get, or equivalent to $4 for 20 clicks. The reason why they're paying you is because since Google is a massive competitor, and they want to attract more people to use their search engine over Google, they're paying you 20 cents per each click because Google doesn't. And obviously, since both of these search engines are free, most people would rather opt in to use entireweb.com, because it will pay them 20 cents per click, which is pretty good, considering the fact that it's absolutely free. So you need to jump on this as soon as possible. And take advantage of the second website, which I'm about to show you in a minute. Now all you need to do is go over to entireweb.com. Once you're here, you have to click this menu button at the top right corner, and that's going to give you all of these categories like Home, Services, Free Submission, SEO, Ad Market, Affiliate, Directory, Advertise, and so on and so forth. But you have to focus on only one category that's going to make you money. And that's Affiliate, so just click it. And don't worry, because you don't have to sell anything, as I said earlier. And you don't have to make people buy anything or pay for something. In fact, you're getting paid 20 cents per click that you get. So you can get other people that are regularly using Google to start using entireweb.com instead. And if they use your link, you will make 20 cents for each click that you get, which is just amazing. As I said, there are over 3 billion people who are using Google on a daily basis. So there's a massive potential. Even if you just refer 100 people to this website, that's still going to be a huge passive income for you. As you can see, you'll get paid for every click. They will pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor, which is really cool. The best part is you have a high conversion rate because it's all absolutely free and really simple. They just need to surf the web using entireweb.com as they normally do. Everyone can join, anyone from anywhere in the world. And it's really easy to start. Within minutes from signing up, you'll be up and running, and have started to earn money from your traffic. You'll see exactly how it works and how the dashboard would look like, and you'll see exactly how you can withdraw your money. For now, let me show you another great thing. This is how you will be paid. You will be paid through PayPal. And the minimum payout value is $50, which may seem like a lot, but actually you can easily earn $50 with this website and instantly cash out and spend that money on whatever you like. So in continuation, once you come over to this page, you need to click Create Account right here, so you can sign up for absolutely free. Now you need to fill out some details about yourself. You need to enter your first name and last name. You will choose your own tracking ID, like for example, you can type in some words or phrases that you like. And then just enter your email address for your account. Once you do that, you need to enter additional information about yourself. After that, just fill out their payout methods however you want to get paid. The best thing is that PayPal is not the only payment options they have. So for simplicity, just enter your PayPal email address, and they will pay you as soon as you hit the payout threshold. Lastly, you need to read their terms and conditions. And that is it. Registration process should take no longer than 60 seconds. Now you will start making money for each click that you generate. And once you log into your account, this is what your dashboard would look like. Here are all your campaigns. And when you click Home right here on the left-hand side, you can actually track your clicks and track the amount of money you have made. As you can see, since this is a brand new account, it's obviously going to show 0 clicks and $0. But once we start getting clicks, these will change and we will start receiving money, which we can then withdraw by clicking on my profile button right here on the left-hand side. And we can request a withdrawal as soon as we have reached the payout threshold. So what you need to do in order to start receiving those clicks is you first need to grab your affiliate link right here on top. This is your special link, so you need to copy this because whenever someone goes to this link, you will get paid 20 cents per click. So you're just referring people to entireweb.com where they can surf the web as they normally do with Google. And for each click, you're being paid, which is really simple and easy. In continuation, once you copy your affiliate link, you can then start sharing it with other people, so you can generate those clicks and start making money. Now, sure, you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter and other social media platforms. Share it with your friends and family, that's definitely going to get you some clicks. And that's definitely going to make you some money. But if you actually want to set this up in complete autopilot, where you have a potential to reach millions of clicks, then you need to use this strategy, which I'm about to share with you. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. So first of all, you need to open up Google Docs, and open up a blank document. Here you can write something briefly and create a call to action for your special link that takes people to the entireweb.com. So just write something briefly. For example, I've typed in, better than Google? Try this new and free search engine called EntireWeb, and I've pasted my affiliate link right here. It's really important that you leave your affiliate link so people can click on it. And I put something like this, try it in seconds and let me know if it's really better than Google or not. So put phrases like, it's new or it's absolutely free. In that way it's going to attract more people because they will know right away that they don't need to buy something, they don't need to spend any money. They can just try this out for free and it takes them only seconds. So they will not have to wait for minutes or hours. They can do it quickly and see if it's better than Google or not. And now for each click that you get, you will get paid 20 cents over and over again. Obviously this is just one of the options. Of course you can come up with your own call to action and with your own article with your own script. And that might work even better. So once you're done writing your article, just click on the file button right here on top, and click download and then select PDF document so you can save it to your computer. And with that PDF document, you need to go over to this website, which we will be using called slideshare.net. According to SimilarWeb, Slideshare.net is being visited regularly by over 140 million people from all over the world on a monthly basis. So you have a potential to reach over 140 million people with Slideshare.net. The best part is it's all absolutely free to share whatever article you have. So you will be sharing your Google Docs article that includes your entire web affiliate link. In that way you can get those clicks in complete autopilot. People that share articles on this website are getting millions of views. As you can see here, over 3.5 million views, over 1 million views, over 700,000 views, and so on and so forth. So all you need to do is sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here on top. Sign up process takes no longer than 60 seconds. Once you sign in, just click on the upload button right here. Next, click select files to upload, and select your PDF document, wait until it loads, and then give it a title. So for example, I will type in, this is better than Google and I will type in free. And then I will put a brief description below. Also in the description you can have your affiliate link. In that way I have a higher chance of getting more clicks. Next, choose the category right here from the list and select the privacy to be public so everyone can see it. And then you can give it different tags. The more tags you put, the more people you'll attract. And after that, just click publish. And that is it. Now you have a potential to reach over 140 million people with this article. So they can see and try EntireWeb themselves. On the other hand, you will get paid 20 cents per click that you generate, or equivalent to $4 for 20 clicks, or $20 for 100 clicks, or $200 for 1,000 clicks, which are entirely passive income that you can earn for absolutely free with this website. To make $1,000 you literally just need 5,000 clicks, which are actually attainable since all they have to do is click on your link and use the free search engine just like they normally do with Google. So take advantage of this strategy and start making money as soon as possible, because in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money and the best way to set up a passive income stream online. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you get paid per click. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents.